Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to identify reflections, rotations, and translations. So these questions are found on a website called iExcel. It is Level J Math P4 Identify Reflections, Rotations, and Translations. So I just want to quickly give some definitions. So a reflection is a transformation where a figure is reflected over a line called line of reflection. A rotation is a transformation where a figure is rotated around a point called center of rotation. And lastly, a translation is a transformation where the figure does not change, instead it slides to different coordinates on a graph. So this first question tells us to look at this shape, which is over here, and asks us which image below shows a reflection. So figure number A, you can see that nothing really changes from this picture to this picture, except that it slided over down and left a little bit. So that is a translation. Now number B, we can try putting a line of reflection on this image to see if it works out. So we can start by using a y-axis for the line of reflection, which it doesn't work at all because there would be nothing on the left side of the line. Now, if we do it on the x-axis for our line of reflection, it actually does work out because the figure is on the third grid and so is the figure on number B. So therefore, for this question, diagram B is the reflection. Now, our second question, it tells us to look at this shape, which is over here, and asks us which image shows a translation. So once again, a translation is a transformation where the figure does not change, instead it slides to different coordinates on the graph. So a simpler trick is, if there's only 3 options, it's very narrow. So I look at which image the figure is facing the same way as the original picture, which is up here. And as you can see, number B does show the shape facing the same way. So therefore, the question to this question would be number B. Now, our third question, it asks us which image shows a rotation. A rotation, once again, is a transformation where a figure is rotated around a point called center of rotation. So again, for very narrow, I like to look at which image below is facing a different way from the original picture and is also not mirrored. So as you can see, number B, once again, is not facing the same way the original shape is. However, it is not mirrored either. So therefore, our answer would be number B. Now for our last question, it asks us which image below shows a rotation once again. So using the trick for simpler questions, I like to look at which one is facing a different way, however, it is still not mirrored. So number A, I don't see a mirrored image, and I also see that it's facing a different way than the original picture. Number B is a translation because nothing of the direction of this image changes except that it's slided over to this part of the graph. Now number C, if you put a line of reflection over here, this is what you would get. So that is a reflection. Therefore, our answer would be number A. So that is basically how to identify reflections, rotations, and translations. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!